Introducing the Footie fan heater from Dimplex, a heater with plenty of kick. Featuring a fun football motif, the Footie fan is ideal for all football fans alike, so there's no excuse for hogging the warmest seat in the house. Definitely not style over substance, the Footie fan provides users with an impressive 2 kilowatts of power and a choice of heat settings including a cool air function. Total control is yours with thermostatic temperature control that maintains the temperature of the room and enhances economy. The Footie fan offers complete safety, quality and peace of mind you would expect from Dimplex, with an overheat safety cutout and 3-year guarantee. The Footie fan heater from Dimplex, where others try, we deliver.